Hi, this is Sejal and you're watching Trends 9 and well, I'm all dolled up because I'm at the India Couture Week. आपको बता देते हैं इसकी खास बात ये है कि आज जो है रिमझिम अपने डिज़ाइंस डिस्प्ले करने वाली हैं एंड ऑफ कोर्स उनके डिज़ाइंस में कुछ खास बात तो हमेशा होती है. वेल शी इज़ नोन फॉर हर यूनिक टेक्सचर एंड टेक्सटाइल्स और इस बार का थीम भी कुछ ऐसा ही है. इट्स बरोक एंड आई एम रियली एक्साइटेड सो आई कैन नॉट वेट. तो बस भाई मैं अब जा रही हूँ उनकी कलेक्शन देखने. सो कम विद मी.
So I'm wearing an outfit from Rimzim Dadu's collection. It's inspired by Baroque architecture. Her cuts tend to be very modern, very contemporary, but at the same time her inspirations are from like unexpected places. So when you see all like these different things come together, there's something very original and interesting there, and I enjoyed it. If I have to pick, like there's a gun to my head and I have to pick, then Indian. But see, that's the thing, right? This is, what is this? Is this Indian? Is this Western? Where do we draw the line? This is an Indian designer, Indian fabric, Indian karigars, Indian workers, Indian ideas. Probably like a lehenga and a choli. So many Indian. So our idea of India, I think, is much bigger than how we've let it be so far.
All I want is a feeling up there. No. I may be blind, but it's you that can't say. Oh, I think you should know. Love's not into the cold. No, this ain't what it's supposed to look like.
I was actually inspired by Baroque architecture, and it's the post-Renaissance era, the motifs of the Baroque architecture, and it's been done so many times in fashion. So I really wanted to take that up as a challenge, like what new can I do with Baroque architecture? I wanted to interpret it in my signature materials and experiment with it and really just like present a very different version of it. What does Indian fashion mean? I think Indian fashion cannot be defined in one line or like one paragraph or like even 1 minute. I feel Indian fashion is so diverse. We have so much heritage, we have so many crafts, we have so many textiles, we have so many weaves, we have so many amazing designers, we have so much that's happening. It's really difficult for me to sum it up. So I've done a lot of collections in the past. Like one of my collections was actually inspired by the Patola weave of Gujarat, and there was one collection that was inspired by Jamdani. So, and subconsciously growing up in India, you're always inspired by these textiles and somehow they always make their way into your collection. I would say like this particular collection that I just showcased right now, I can't, I think it's not possible for me because my brain is stuck there right now. I've just finished. So yeah, because I've been working on it now for 3 months, so my brain is just stuck here right now. So it's, the closest to me right now, literally.
Tell me